Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to enable review tags people add to your post on Facebook page. So let's go. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook page. Having opened up your Facebook page, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to the sidebar right here, click on settings, and this is going to open up. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to page and tagging. Click on that. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to reviewing right here. So under the reviewing section right here, so you see review tag people add to your post before they appear on your Facebook. What you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button. Boom, save change. You can see it right here. It's as simple as that. So with that, anybody who tag you to a post with your Facebook page, you have to review it and determine if you want the tags to appear on your Facebook page or you want to decline it. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to review tags people add to your post before they appear on your Facebook page. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials about Facebook page settings like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.